The warmth and comfort of beanbag chairs are impeccable compared to a traditional chair. You can sink into one, enjoy the warm cuddle this chair offers, and relax. If you've ever sat in a beanbag chair, you will know what we are talking about here. Beanbag chairs can be customized to suit anybody, regardless of body shape or size. It's one of these few things Italy has blessed us with, aside from pasta and pizza. You can use them to brighten up your space and make it more fun while maintaining the highest level of comfort, and the best part is that they are super affordable. They come in different materials, sizes, shapes, and colors. So what are you waiting for? If you've been thinking about getting one of these comfy and cozy floofs for yourself, this is your sign to do it right now. But before you do, watch this video to the end. We have helped you pick some of the best beanbag chairs. You can find the links in the description if you see any one you would love to get. Also, check out the Consumer Sherpa channel for more videos of household must-haves like this one. Now back to the video. Big Joe MILANO Standard Beanbag Chair. The Big Joe MILANO Standard Beanbag Chair is a traditional-looking and reasonably priced beanbag chair. This beanbag has a chair-like form, making it a cozy place to sit and relax. Of course, it maintains the comfort level one would expect from a beanbag chair. Although this chair is light, it has a weight capacity of 200 pounds. It is upholstered in a smooth, breathable, durable polyester fabric that is available in a few different colors. Additionally, it has a handy handle that makes moving it around simpler. This chair fits into any space with ease. It's hard to overstate the quality of the Big Joe MILANO beanbag chair. Both children and adults love it. You can even buy replacement bags to restuff your chair if it starts to sag over time. It is pretty simple to clean, and hair can be removed from it quickly with a vacuum. Homes with both children and pets would be the ideal place for this beanbag. YOGIBO Beanbag Chair. This is not your regular beanbag chair, and it's a masterpiece. This YOGIBO beanbag chair is unquestionably posh. You'll get that cozy tucked-in sensation with this majestic one from YOGIBO. We know you'll love it, maybe even more than your bed. It may be used as a chair, a recliner, a bed, or even a couch, because it is 72 inches long and 24 inches tall and can hold up to 4 people at a time. It adjusts to your body to remove pressure points. What appeals to us about the chair is its versatility. The YOGIBO Max has a washable cover made of a soft cotton spandex blend and micro beads that help alleviate stress on your pressure points. This incredibly relaxing chair is available in more than a dozen different colors. It supports your body and keeps you at ease in any position. This chair is light enough to move around quickly despite its large size. It can be transferred from one place to another by one person. Sofa Sack Beanbag Chair. Although the Sofa Sack beanbag chair resembles a traditional beanbag, it is filled with memory foam, which is fluffier than a chair packed with regular foam. It is warm and cozy to sit in thanks to its stuffing. If the bag breaks, this memory foam filling avoids a major mess. This chair fits well in a living room or a bedroom because it is simple and structured. It conforms to your body so nicely that you'll forget any pain in minutes. There are different sizes available and numerous color options for the micro suede cover. When you unpack this chair for the first time, it takes a few days to puff out and fluff up fully, but you will love it after it does. It's important to note that this one's hair does not come off quickly if you live with dogs. Ultimate Sack Beanbag Chair. The Ultimate Sack Beanbag Chair is yet another excellent option. Since it is the smallest Ultimate Sack, it is more of a children's beanbag. It is around 3 feet in diameter, comes in various colors, and is made of either suede or faux fur. The suede material has a soft, silky feel that adds to how comfortable it is on the body. Instead of regular beans, these beanbag chairs are filled with shredded polyurethane foam. Even though it is comfortable to sit in, the material doesn't support adults as well as other chairs do, and it often feels lumpy. The Ultimate Sack is great for kids because it is simple to clean. The cover can also be taken off and machine washed, and the chair is simple to vacuum and doesn't even get staticky. The beanbag must be fluffed up after use to keep its shape because it doesn't do so naturally. Additionally, this beanbag has a 10-year warranty, which is far longer than most manufacturers provide. JAXX Beanbag Chair. The JAXX Beanbag Chair is a giant 6-foot chair. If you're searching for an extra large beanbag chair, this is the one. It takes some effort to put this bag together, but once you do, you'll love it. Its high-quality foam blend gives it a feeling comparable to a mattress pad. This chair can be put in multiple positions, which is its best feature. You can arrange this lovely lump in 2 different ways. You can lay it flat if you want to spread out, or turn it over for a comfortable sitting position. This polyester suede cover of the JAXX cocoon comes in various colors and can be machine washed if it ever gets soiled. Additionally, cleaning the beanbag cover will require time and effort. If the cover is machine washed, at least 2 individuals would be needed to take it off. Since this beanbag is large, you should choose the location before keeping it there rather than move it around much. This beanbag has no handles. If you are big on comfort and fun, these beanbags are the best choice. Pick any of these bags and decorate your space. Hurry to grab one right now. Links in the description. See you in our next video.